Hello and welcome everyone to another crochet tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the crochet foundation cord. This is a great alternative to chaining or to other foundation stitches. Okay, so we need to start with a slip knot. And we need to leave sufficient length on the short end of your yarn. So if you are just doing a small swatch, this might be sufficient. If you're making a larger project such as blankets, then you will need much longer short end of your yarn, because we are going to be actually using this to create the foundation cord. Okay, so we are going to be doing two things or two stages. The first is to wrap the short end around the hook from the front to create a loop, and then with the long end, the one that is usually wrapped around your finger, we are going to yarn over and pull through these two loops. Okay, so again, going to wrap the short end around the hook from the front, and then with the long end or long tail, we're going to wrap around or yarn over and pull through both loops. Okay, and you will continue this for the desired length of your foundation cord, like so. Okay, we can do a few more. As you can see, you're using the yarn on your short end, so this is getting shorter and shorter with every stitch of the foundation cord. Okay, and then you would just turn around, and if you need to, for example, work single stitches, this would be American terms, this would be a double stitch in the UK term, you would just chain one and work into the top two loops of the foundation cord, like so. Then you would go on to the next one, and so on. Okay, I use this method in this swatch for the instead of the chaining, and as you can see, it creates very nice and neat edge on the bottom of your project. I prefer it, I much prefer it to chain, because that doesn't create any holes, so overall the swatch looks more polished and nicer. It has got somehow more professional look. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments, and you can share with your yarn loving friends. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.